bots, or if you have to have bots to give the illusion that it's popular, then once it actually is popular, you take those bots out of the game. You know? Then it's like, okay, well, yeah. You've kind of got the best of both worlds at that point. Another Streamline Plus. Yes. This is kind of a crazy turn one, not gonna lie. He's just dead on turn one. Very clean. Take another Core Surge. I don't think we need to heal on this one. I think we should be okay. I'd much rather upgrade what? Honestly, probably a Beam Cell. Keep the boss vulnerable for another turn. Pretty shit turn one, though, if I'm being honest. Gotta play the Streamline. Played that. Get a Center's Bane out of the deck. Honestly, not the worst result we could have asked for, but definitely could have been better. I think I will probably use Strength. Right, Russell? Will you use Strength? Yes. Block on this turn as well. I'm not trying to add a Void just yet. I'm cooking, trust. Trust. Trust me, Echo Form, non-negotiable. Block. We need block. Well, we also need energy. We still have the Echo Form. Wait, no, we don't have the Echo Form yet. We have a lot of energy. What the fuck? Oh, because it was free. Oh. Honestly, wasn't even paying attention to that. Give me a draw. Give me some block. I think we kind of have to kill the minion. Not exactly what I want to do, but... when it came down to it, we had to. Obviously, I'm not using that genetic algorithm yet. Didn't think about the Echo Form. If I had used... those artifacts go crazy. If I had used the Sunder... he's dead. Never mind. Don't even ever think it. Doesn't matter. Your deck's fucking crazy. Well, or maybe Echo Form's crazy. Biased Cog... well... I think Fission kind of goes... we take Biased Cog for one reason and one reason only. Glacier. We are going to need consistent block, and our cards aren't going to do it for us. We can no longer Smith. There is a world in which you take that, and you don't need to Smith anymore. But there's also a world in which you just fucking go ham on elites, because we have... well, we're about to spend a fuckload of money, so... and energy isn't... oh god, that's a good fight for us. Energy isn't a super big problem here. 2 campfires, 2 elites, make it 3 elites, no shop. We have to go to the shop. Or we can enter that shop. This is really shit, actually. This is kind of not gone the way I wanted it to. No early shop here is really fucked with our plans, not gonna lie. Not happy about it. Not happy about it at all. I mean, you kind of have to play it. I'm also going to assume that we're not going to need genetic algorithm. I feel like this fight's going to be over pretty quickly. Self-repair played twice is incredible. And self-repair gets us out of a pinch anyway. Rebound on what? Rebounding a streamline. The classic. Okay, look, you play Echo Form here. Do you? You have to. You play Echo Form, you play Cool Headed, you play Defend, you play Bull Lightning, you play Strike, you play Bias Cog. You take 4 damage. Not bad. Self-repair played twice. Clear show, rebound that. Look, it doesn't really matter. We're going to win the fight anyway. These double self-repairs are going crazy. So we want to go up here, take those 2 campfires. Happily remove a basic defend. That is incredibly lucky. Could turbo now, we just end with a fucking void in our deck. But what are we turboing for? Nothing. Our whole hand costs fucking 2 or more. This is really not fun. Do we genetic algorithm twice? I don't think so. I think we only need to do it once. So I think it's Core Surge twice, FTL, genetic algorithm, streamline, strike. Ah, no, we should have fucking... Okay, that's right. Can we kill him? Yeah. Not the greatest, didn't even get self-repair off, but we'll live. We will live. We're going to take even more damage. These campfires are about to turn into rest sites instead. Fuck me, man. Kind of have to hope one of the lighting hits him and it doesn't. Oh, God. Guys, we could be dead right here. We're just dead. There's nothing we can do. Just taking too much damage too quickly. That was awful. Holy fuck. That run was actually really good. We had a damn good run. And then... I don't know what happened, man. I don't know what happened. Well. Run it back. A random boss relic. Probably never that good on the defect. Random common relic. Juzu. And we just take as many question marks as we possibly can. Rip and tear. Let's start off super aggressive. I'll become cursed. Only because I think we'll have an opportunity to remove it quite cheaply. Already at 318 gold. Pretty fantastic shit, to be honest. Energy potion. Storm is okay. None of these really go with what we're trying to do right now, unfortunately.